Michelle?
I'm gonna have
Here you go.
chocolate. I'm gonna have chocolate. I'm gonna actually have chocolate and vanilla. Just so you
Graham,
know.
is that good?
Nah.
Say yum yum.
I'm gonna go with that.
Is it good?
You have a little
Oh
sinky
God.
hole there.
Graham.
That's fine. I needed half them. Kate, what kind do you want, honey? Kate, what kind do you want?
Chocolate, please.
She wants chocolate. The little lady wants chocolate. Chocolate for the little
That's
lady.
me and Daddy.
Floyd?
Graham, is that good? Yes.
Everyone?
I want to read in this lap. I want to see it.
I'm a mess. I'm gonna have chocolate vanilla like your mom.
Yeah.
Is that delicious, Graham?
It's gonna be all
Oh.
messed up. Oh.
Oh my
So we
goodness.
have 2 pieces of cake.
No, let's just focus on one right now. Just relax.
You didn't even eat
Graham.
that one.
Yes, I can.
I said you did.
Does everybody have some?
Yeah. Normally, yeah.
Graham,
Yes.
is that good?
He hasn't come up for air.
I'm gonna dig up a bunch of icing.
Yes, please.
Pour it in my-
I want
Do you want
water.
milk, Ziggy? Do you
I
want milk?
want water.
Can I have some milk now?
Do you want milk or you want water?
I want
I'll help with that.
Graham, can we take a look at you? Can we see what
Is
you
it
look
good?
like?
water.
Is that delicious?
Look
Graham.
at his face.
I see. It's
Graham, are you in
ridiculous.
installation now?
Have some water.
Yes.
Look
Let me get some cups.
Done?
at his face.
I see.
Does he have chocolate on his face?
I think this is Sasha's
A little bit?
Does she want water or water?
Everywhere.
And everybody else wanted.
Everywhere.
That is everywhere, you're right.
Was that good?
Everywhere.
Do you like cake? Yeah?
Are you safe? Are you 1? Are you safe? Are you 1? Are you 5? Are you 6? Are you 7? Are you 8? Are you 9? Are you 10? 87?
87.
Where did 87 come from?
Graham, cake. Say cake.
87. Can I show you the seat?
Here you go. Here you go.
Oh, you want more?
Oh, there it is.